Hi, today I'm going to tell you about one of the best SEO tools. After testing a huge number of services in this category, I found the best option that suited me perfectly. It is a very versatile and highly effective assistant. It makes over $80,000 a year for me, and with this program, I've been using it for a lot of time. In this short video, I'm going to tell you 7 very useful secrets that only few people know about, but which make it really the best in the SEO tools category. Let's not waste time and let's get started right now.
Majestic is a convenient and reliable option if you want to know what's going on with your site's SEO performance. The company that developed this project is based in the UK and claims to have created the world's largest link intelligence database. The link database is essentially a web map that tracks every website that links to your pages. Majestic uses this information to uncover all kinds of ideas to help you be most successful in your online positioning. As you will learn from this Majestic SEO review, the sheer size of this software's database means that it produces better results than most backlink checking tools. There are different price tiers of Majestic, from the Lite package for $41.67 to the full-featured API version. The Lite package to the full-featured API option can cost as much as $1,599.99 per month, depending on how much you want to pay. The Majestic Lite plan is designed for private individuals and is available to individuals. The Majestic Lite plan is designed for individuals and companies who need a little backlink checking. It gives you access to Majestic's fresh index and referring domain lists. The Lite package has 1 user account and limits you to 5,000 index units and 1 million analyzed backlinks. If you pay monthly, it's $41.67 per month. The mid-level Pro plan costs $99.99 a month with monthly payments and $83.33 a month if you're willing to pay for a year at a time. While this package still includes only 1 user account, it adds many additional features such as a keyword checker and backlink history tool. Pro users also get expanded access to resources, including 125,000 index units and 20 million analyzed backlinks. Finally, the Majestic API plan provides developers access to the core Majestic code to integrate it into their platforms. Prices here range from $333.33 per month to $1,599.99 a month, depending on whether you want to pay monthly and what units of analysis you need access to each month. According to Majestic's latest calculations, the Majestic platform is built on a vast link intelligence database containing nearly 9 trillion unique URLs. With millions of new sites and articles being created online every day, creating a comprehensive database of links between every website is nearly impossible. Still, Majestic comes close to doing it than most others. However, simply having access to a vast database is no good without valuable features that make it easy to draw meaningful conclusions. Fortunately, Majestic also stands out for features such as reciprocal link pages, which shows you all the links between 2 sites, and side-by-side comparisons, which display critical metrics for multiple URLs on a single page. On the other hand, Fresh Index changes daily as new links are added to your website. It's an excellent tool for understanding the impact of your latest press release or site redesign. While most users will be attracted to Majestic for its ability to generate informative, comprehensive information about their sites, there is no doubt that simple indicators that can be understood at a glance are of a great value. To this end, Majestic users have access to 2 simple site indices, the Historical Index and the Fresh Index. Why 2? The Historical Index is based on a database accumulated over the last 5 years, allowing you to see how your site's SEO performance has changed over time. Getting detailed information about the performance of an individual domain or URL is easy with the Majestic Site Explorer tool. Users with any subscription get access to this page, where you can see statistics such as the number of referring domains and external backlinks. Getting to know Majestic could hardly be more accessible. This is impressive given the wide variety of statistics and metrics that Majestic gives you access to. Most tools can be accessed via your Majestic.com profile, but a simplified backlink checking interface is also available as a Google Chrome plugin. You can switch between the different features on the leading Majestic site through a simple Tools menu at the top of the page. Majestic's interface differs from tool to tool. Still, overall, the pages are beautifully designed with a simple color scheme and extensive statistics and charts to draw attention to the most critical information first. One of the most valuable features on the Majestic Site Explorer information page is a scattered chart called Trust Flow versus Citation Flow, called Link Profile. At a glance, this chart will show you how the overall reliability of a URL is related to the number of links to it from external sites. One of the critical factors determining the SEO effectiveness of any web page is the number of backlinks it receives from reliable sources. Majestic's Backlink History tool allows you to do this, and its interface makes it easy to interpret the data. You can organize backlink sites by their trust rating or enter a color-coded view that visually distinguishes URLs by their score on a topic-by-topic basis. If you have trouble using some Majestic's more advanced tools, you can find help in the Majestic Help Center, which contains a wealth of information and the Majestic API Reference Guide. If you require further assistance, you can email Majestic Technical Support with your request.